Hello everyone, I'm making a very quick tutorial. I cannot speak. A very quick tutorial because someone asked for it. So yeah, I want to make it. So essentially this is about negative spaces. Either like huge spaces, right? Call these like negative spaces, or you can call them backspaces, whatever, however you want to call them, right? They push characters back. They push text backwards, right? Kind of like the opposite of space. And you can also have huge ones. I'll show you how to do that. So first of all, you have to get this texture. It's just a 1 by 1 empty texture. It's nothing really. So what I recommend people to do is they create a new namespace. So inside their pack, inside assets, should be able to see your Minecraft folder, and then up here you want to create a new folder. Give it a name, and then inside there you want to make the textures folder. Then you put in the texture here, right? I recommend people to do this because it's cleaner this way. And then the ascent, make sure this is -50,000, right? You want to have your default.json. I completely forgot. Inside your Minecraft folder, you have to go to you have to make a font folder, and then inside here you have to make a default.json, which you put this here, right? You want to make sure this you change this to your actual namespace. Then ascent. This is kind of how tall it is. You don't really want that. You don't want it to be tall, hopefully. So -50,000. Height. Actually, I completely messed that up. But height. The higher the height. So let's say I make this 100. It's basically a huge space now. It's weird. It's kind of like reverse. So if I put this now, you can see it's a huge space. Where if I make it negative, say 10, and reload, you can see it pushes it back. It's weird. So think of the height as the actual width of the actual thing. And yeah, so if you need to get this character, you go to this website called unicodeplus.com. You should put this in the search bar. You will get this. You should copy it, put it here, paste it a bunch of times. Put 5. You can see it appears right over here. Kind of crazy, right? So you can change this number. So if I make this -20, the more it will push back. You can see, right? If I make this 20, it will push forward instead, right? Really cool. This is useful if you don't want to keep copy pasting spaces and backspaces. You just have to change this. And if you want to have multiple, you just add a comma on here. Then you can have more than one. Make sure the chart is different, the character, and then just do this. You can make these negative. Oops. Change that URL. Doesn't matter. You can take that. Yeah, you can see it pushes it back, and then the other one, I could I take this like that. You can see the one with the one that this one pushes farther back, more backwards than this one. So yeah, really cool. This should work on 1.20 for my testing, and 1.21. I'm on 1.21.8 actually, so yeah, it should work on pretty much all Minecraft versions, right? If you don't want to have a different namespace, you can always just create a textures folder inside your Minecraft folder, and then you can take this texture and put it inside here. And then instead of the namespace, you can put in Minecraft. Yeah, I recommend you using my namespace because those are cleaner. And if we reload, they should work as intended. Yep, it still works. But as I said, I don't like that. It's better you have your own thing. Okay, I just deleted absolutely everything. But let's not worry about that. Oh no. Why? Okay, so I lost my default.json. It's very sad, but I probably have some copy in here. Yep. That's fine. All right, so if you're using script, you can just copy this function right here. This essentially converts text like this, the raw text like this, to the actual symbol and this uses reflection, so make sure you have script reflect. I'll link it down. And if you're in Java or Kotlin, if you put this inside your string, it should automatically parse it like not a problem. Automatically change it to the actual character. So yeah, really cool. If you can also use tell raw. I'm pretty sure I use that. You can see it pushes it back. And so yeah, really cool. All right, bye bye guys.